Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lady Delightful here. If you are new, welcome, and if you have been here before, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload the video, you'll be the first to know. This is story time, guys. I've got this personal story that I can't wait to share with you guys. As you guys saw from the title, I got scammed. Your girl got scammed. Me of all people. Sha, let's talk, okay? Let's talk. Okay guys, so before I go ahead with my story, I'm also gonna be doing my hair, okay? So I didn't want this video to be so long because you guys have seen me so many times doing my hair, so I thought I'll skip that bit. I've also done my makeup, which I'm hoping to do a video about it, simple makeup, one of these days to show you, okay? In this one, I'm gonna do a high pony and I'll just do 2 split bangs at the front, okay? If you have not seen my previous video, the ninja bun with the bang, okay, guys, go and check it out, all right? Go and check it out. God, you will love that video. Okay, so the hair that I'll be using today is a UK company that sell this hair, all right guys? I'm not sponsored or anything, okay? I actually purchased this with my own money. Okay, so it's called CI Beauty, all right? And this is the Kinky straight ponytail, guys. Oh, I love the feel of this. It feels so natural. I personally like Kinky straight because I feel like it's very closer to my natural hair. It's really nice. It's tangle free. You just give it like a quick brush, okay? It is synthetic though, so in terms of obviously applying heat, I'll just be careful. I've not tried it, and I've not put heat on it yet, but I just love it in this natural texture, okay? I don't want to curl it or anything. I just like it being straight. It's actually 20 inches, yeah, 20 inches, okay? I'm gonna leave all the information about this hair at the description box, okay? So you guys can order one for yourselves. Okay guys, so this story that I'm gonna share with you guys is very personal to me, but I'm sharing. You probably be thinking, why is she telling us? Yeah, because guys, I want you guys to be very careful out there. Until this happened to you, you wouldn't believe it. If someone even, like you've been listening to me right now, you're gonna be like, how could she be so stupid? How did she not know? Guys, don't talk, okay? Just pray that it doesn't happen to you. It can happen to anyone, old, young, whatever. It can happen to anyone, so we all just have to be very careful out there. Trust me, we should be. So I'm sharing to obviously let you guys know that if you've gone through it before, you're not the only one, and there's a way that you can come out of it, and we all just have to be very careful that we don't fall victims to these fraudsters and scammers and all that, okay? So guys, this is the hair that I'll be using for the front. Okay, so this hair is a normal synthetic hair anyway, nothing too fancy. So I'm just gonna cut it into 2, all right? And I'm also going to be using my glue, cause guys, I'm even gonna show you my hair. It is dried, but it's not fully dried, but it's okay. It's better than nothing. It's dried, so I think it's alright actually. Oh, it's dried. It's dried. A lot of you guys don't know, I had a baby not long ago, about 5 months ago, and this incident happened when I was about 38 weeks pregnant. Yeah, 38 weeks pregnant. You know when you get to that stage that you just can't wait for the baby to come out. That was the stage that I was, and I got a text message from Royal Mail. Supposedly I thought it was Royal Mail, but it wasn't, and I'm gonna put the text somewhere here so that you guys can see for yourself. Basically the text message was saying that I have to pay some outstanding delivery fee, which was about $2.99, okay? And obviously when I saw the text, I was like, yeah, because I do order quite a lot of stuff, so I thought, why not? And I remember that week I was expecting a delivery as well, and at the end of the day, if I have to pay, I have to pay. When I click on the link, it just gave me a page whereby it was asking me to put my name, my address, and my bank details, which I did. You know, usually when you make payments like that, you get like an email to confirm. Strangely, this time around, I did not get any email about it, because I thought if the payment has been successful, then don't worry about the email. So the next day, so this thing happened on Friday. I got a text message on Friday. Saturday, nothing happened. Sunday evening, I got a phone call, and on my caller ID, it had the name of my bank on there. So let's say I saved with Barclays. It had Barclays and my area code. So I thought, it's my bank that was actually calling me. So I picked up the phone, and the person just said, are you this person? I said, yeah. Do you live in this address? I said, yeah. Did you make any transaction on Friday? I said, yeah. Was it to Royal Mail? I said, yes. And they said, okay, all right. So I'm sorry to break this news to you, but somebody has hacked into your account and they've taken some money out. So in order for us to help you, or in order for us to protect your money, because as a bank, we have a duty to protect your money. So in order for us to do this, we're going to have to transfer your money to a safer place. That is like to a safer account. Guys, I'm going to put the glue on. It's where the line is. Okay, just there. And I'll just hold it for a bit. And you know, the best way for them to do it is to obviously try and move my account from where it is to a safer place. And by a safer place, what they mean is that they're gonna give me a different account details, and I'm gonna move my money. I started panicking. I wasn't thinking straight, guys. I listened to them. I moved my money. Little did I know. But the funny thing is that where they said I was moving my money to, it had my name. So I felt, so to me, I thought that they've actually set up like a new account for me that I'm moving my money into, because my name, the guy said that this is gonna go to your name, okay, but the account details is this. He gave it to me, guys. Little did I know. So anyway, and the money that I transferred was about 2,000 plus. So I transferred the money, and that was it. That was it. Okay, so when I did that, and the guy said to me that, don't worry, after I finish talking to you, you can log on back to your internet banking with these new details, which I waited. After talking to him, I did, but guys, I couldn't log on to my internet banking again. And that's when I started panicking, and I thought, what did I just do? So I started calling my bank. I was just on the line because it was Sunday. I don't know what was going on that day. Nobody was picking up. I just heard that, you know, that's funny no music thing that you hear. I was literally on the phone for hours, and I was so tired, and I just went straight to bed because it was getting quite late. Next morning, first thing, I called my bank. I told them what had happened, and the guys that just said to me that, I'm sorry, madam, but you've been scammed. I was like, what did you just say? Guys, you don't understand. I started screaming on the phone. I said, no, you can't tell me that. That money is for my baby, because guys, I was going to use that money to do baby shopping. I'm going to put the next hair on the other side as well, okay? So make sure it doesn't get on your hair, but it goes on the skin, your scalp, basically. And you just hold on to it until it stays. So the guy just said to me that it's gonna take the bank 21 days for them to do further investigation to see whether they can get my money back for me. I was like, 21 what? 21 what? No, I can't wait 21 days. I need my money. I need to start doing my baby shopping. Like, I'm pregnant, I'm gonna have a baby soon. I've literally, I mean, I had no choice than to wait for this 21 days to come, and this 21 days felt like 1,000 years. I really hate doing this. I don't like putting heat on my hair, but I'm gonna have to. So I've got this heat protector that I'm gonna spray on my hair before I straighten it. Okay guys, so look. Okay, oh, it smells good though. It's a got to be glue one. All right, got to be glue one. Got to be got to be glue. I got a letter from the bank, and only for them to say that they would not be able to pay the money to me. I said, you guys are joking, right? When I got the letter, I was just laughing. You know, I was like, you can't just say that, like. And they said that no, they wouldn't, because they feel like it's an act of negligence, and they feel like I actually transferred the money to them. That day, I remember it like it was yesterday. you know when you're pregnant you easily get emotional. And I remember rubbing my hands on my belly and saying to my baby that don't worry, everything is going to be okay. Mommy got you, God got you, daddy is here, God is going to look after you, I'm going to provide for you, you know. And I just prayed. I remember telling all my friends and family. I was sharing this text message to every single person, like all my contacts. I was letting them know that they have to be very careful, because I knew what that text message had done to me. So I was telling every single person about it. All my WhatsApp group, I was literally putting on there, telling my friends to do the same thing. And I was like, you guys, you have to spread the word. We need to let everyone know, because I don't want what has happened to me to happen to anybody. I'm gonna straighten it one more time. Since it's a natural hair, I don't know how straight I can get it, but look, don't want to put too much heat though. So yeah, so I was talking to a very good friend of mine who is like a financial guru. She advised me about finances and stuff. She tells me what's actually going on, and she literally just said to me that, listen, you need to call Ombundsman. I was like, who? Who is that? So what they do is that they resolve disputes between individuals and companies. If you feel like you've been treated unfairly, you contact them. So I made an application and I wrote like a report, and I explained everything to them, that obviously at that time I was pregnant, I wasn't in the right state of mind, you know, all of that. And to be honest guys, that is the truth, because this is my last pregnancy. Yes, last. It wasn't a joke. It wasn't a joke. I'm hoping to share a story with you about this, my miracle child, one of these days, Anyway, so I showed them all the hospital documents, and I put everything together, and the bank also gave me like a final statement, the fact that they stating that they're not going to pay me the money back. And I just left it, and every single time I'll be praying about it, my husband will be praying about it, even my children, all of us were praying about it. And finally, after I had my baby, I think it was when he was about 2 months, yeah, I got a letter one day. Okay guys, so this is the first comb. So what you have to do, you push it in here, yeah, make sure that it's not too tight. And the last comb, you also put that here. Obviously this is quite optional where you want it to be. Then there's like a string here, okay, to adjust it. So you basically, oops, so you hold this thing here, you kind of press on this black thing here, all right. You press it to lose it and release it. So you press it and you pull it, basically. Pull it. Make sure it's not too tight, guys. I think I'm making it tight. It's alright. So obviously, and you pull it and you just release it. You release your hand. And what I do is that sometimes I tuck it in. You can tuck it in. I mean, it's not going to do anything. You can just tuck it in like that. Or you can just go around with it. So what I'm going to do, I'll just tuck it in. Wow, guys. Hey, look at your girl. Hey, my hair has grown. So what you do, I mean, you get a hair from the back like this. Is that okay? I think that's alright. Just get any hair from the back, give it like a quick brush, get hair. Look at that, guys. Give it like a quick brush, go around, you go around again, yes guys, then you go around. Yeah, so guys, so good news actually. So in the letter, guess what guys, the bank actually said that they were very sorry for all the pain that they've caused. You just go around and yeah, that's it guys. we are done. Oh, I love this. Guys, what do you think? You know, I think the main thing is trying to blend my natural hair with this. So anyway, let's finish the story. So in the letter, it was good news, guys. Finally the bank paid all the money back to me, every single penny, okay? And they gave me extra money as a compensation reward to say sorry for all the chaos, okay, and the stress that they've caused me. But they did explain certain things to me. They sent me a leaflet about how to protect myself next time, and they've also put some measures into place to protect me next time, okay? So guys, I just thought, let me do this video to warn you guys out there that we just have to be very, very careful. I mean, luckily, I was so lucky to get my money back, but not everyone is as lucky as me. So you might be watching me thinking, do you know what, I've fallen a victim to it, I don't know what to do. Please find I don't know what ombudsman is in your area, but if you live in the UK, as I said, I'll leave the details at the description box. So if you live outside the UK, find out from, you know, where you live, if they've got any, you know, services like the ombudsman services, so that they can assist you further. But thank you so much for watching it to this far. Sorry if the video was all over the place. I hope you were able to learn something out of it today. Thank you so much. Join me in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.